Oops, sorry, wrong video intro. Fixing this now. Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video and my apologies for this long waiting on release of BlockHunt version 2.0. It's taken long to release for couple reasons. First one is that beta me of Pocketmine 1.5 is not ready and only development version exists. As you know, new development version is a working copy that is always changing. Sometimes testing result from one build to another is not the same. For this reason, I have conducted a long testing of this release code on my DevLab server for stabilities and performance. So far, long-term testing result is good. However, everything's still subject to change when Pocketmine release new updates. However, the good news is that BlockHunt version 2.0 code is stable running on latest Pocketmine soft build 245 in line with Ubuntu server version 15. So, that is my quick update. Next, let's talk about what is new. As you already know, the main driver for version 2.0 is upgrade to support Pocketmine 1.5 apiece and MCPE 0.11. A new option was added to allow player join the game without specify the role on join, but get random assign on start of gameplay. New default maps come in different sizes, small or large. By small and large I mean the number of players the map can accommodate, as well the fun factor. Playing with couple people on a large map is not the same as playing a smaller map. This gives a sense of fairness for both the seeker and hider. However, from performance and memory utilization point of view, smaller map takes less memory than larger map. Both map are now is optimized to play. The smaller map is called Sunny or H3 for the actual file name. This is a good size map for MCPE players. Hider have enough space to go around and seeker will not be frustrated with smaller size map. This is a popular map on my DevLab server. Miniplex Cookie Town is a very popular map in PC. I have spent lots of time converted this larger custom map for MCPE. I think it can accommodate maximum capacity 50 plus players and ideally start with minimal 5 or more players. This way nobody feel lonely. This is a well-designed map for a couple reasons. It have key elements of a good hide-and-seek design such as home, trees, mixed with environment so player have lot hideouts. Just look super cool at night time. The new auto-join role feature is to make this game more fun to play. Player don't know what role will play until start of the game. Also, make join lobby cleaner. However, this is optional. You can use in conjunction with both option to pick as hider or seeker. I guess more ways to play the game is better. How it works? It's simple. Tap on the sign and wait for start. The game start when minimal number of players join. On start you will find out which role you will play. Just remember there is an exit sign for each area for player to leave the game, or use command line /bk home. Hiders have option to change block on demand. And other changes including add more signs for join and exit, as well update your database and file name for v2.0. Do you still remember first version original map? If yes, then it's good I am using this map to demo the usage of extra signs. On this map I have 2 signs set up, one for each side. So, I guess you've seen the new stuff. What about packaging, files, upgrade, deployment options, security, testing and limitations? If you think default settings doesn't work for you, feel free to change them from the arena configuration file. Make sure restart the server after changes to take effect. I have maps and configuration created for previous version already. Is possible to upgrade to this version without changes? The general answer is should work. However, I don't know your setup and complexities, so I cannot say guarantee other than suggest give a try. Deployment options. This is the fun part. There are many ways to deploy the game into your server. Depends what you want to do. Here, I am going to talk 4 common approaches. Option number 1. It is the easy and simple one. Put BlockHunt on its own standalone server, and just copy the plugin files, setting files, maps, then update your server properties files over. Roughly take about 15 minutes. Second option is cold exit with your existing server lobby and connect them using a portal plugin or anything that support multi-world teleporting. In this approach, sometimes need to watch out for potential conflicts, but it works. The third option is create a hub server and BlockHunt server, using portal to transfer player between them. As the result of separation, it will have better performance. The last option here is running one instance of BlockHunt with many maps. By design, BlockHunt support this approach. However, due to limitation on my end like lack of money, resource and time, I was not able to fully test this setup, so don't have knocked cement yet. However, if you have the capacity to do this kind of setup, please go ahead, give a try and let me know the result or issues. Please see setup diagram for testing purpose. Memory requirements and usage depends on size of the map and number of players you plan to support. Smaller map is more efficient. Use less memory than large map. It's recommended to adjust property according to your needs. Security. The map by default is protected from general user to break in. However, recent surge in usage of Ghost Hack for Android use could do some serious damage to the map. Player can override Pocketmine permission and directly make changes like at mine. I am looking into potential solutions, both active or passive approach to address this issue. However, no much like yet. The first line of defense is actively monitor your server for this kind of activities. I have implemented a possible detecting on this version of BlockHunt. However, I am not able to confirm if this truly works or not. So, please check your server log for a line say hacking unauthorized access, and find user cause this, if detection works. Current plan for future releases include improved support on MV hacking, introduce upgrades for players and better tracking and monitoring. I think that is it for this video. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, this updated version of the game is available for sales and download from my website. Thanks again for your purchase and support on continued development of this game and future releases. However, if you don't want to buy, please feel free to play this game on my DevLab server or server owner who purchased this game. If you make custom code change to this game, then I will not able support it. Appreciated your understanding and everyone for your patience and understanding. Have a good day. Bye.